So I feel like we've been kind of like right at 10, 11-ish, like every single time. We're just doing an increment of 5 pounds. So I'm like, I'd rather be at like 9. So this week, I'm just gonna throw in 10 pounds and fucking go for it. But it's pretty hot. You know, I feel like recently I'm like, man, I need to just get like a sweaty workout in. And I should have worn like a sweater or a hoodie on like a chest day, a leg day. When you like get hot, if you're probably wearing nothing, just because it's so intense. It's not the day to choose the sweater, but we did. I am wearing a t-shirt underneath it though. So if I need to back out of my decision, I can. But did our abductors, abductors, if you use 4 machines at once, fuck you. Someone's using the abductor, leg curls, leg extension. I'm like, what the fuck? And she's like, oh no, I'm using this all. I'm like, you're using boom, 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 boom. Yep. Why? You know, kind of pissed me off, but I wasn't trying to be a dick. I should have been, okay. But finally got to do those. And then 3 sets here, 2 sets leg curls, 3 sets leg press, 2 sets leg extension. Switch it up, and then some calf raises. That's about it. So, on 2. Okay. 9. I feel like I could copy that for another set at least, but we'll have to see what we can do. But I'm pretty happy with that for just doing a 10-pound jump. I feel kind of like a dumbass because I forgot to record the last set, but we did double 9. I had a good talk about kind of trying to run my leg days. And I looked up as soon as I'm about to pause it. I'm like, oh, that's the second close cock. But oh well, we'll do this set. Hopefully reach 9 again. Like someone maybe possibly using it, but I can't tell. It's like this couple and they just yap the entire workout. He'll fuck a workout up, dude. Sit on the machine for nearly half an hour and not use it. It's kind of aggravating, but oh well.
Snail.
Shouldn't you be laying mud right now?
Huh?
Shouldn't you be laying mud right now?
Shouldn't I what?
Be laying mud right now?
No, tomorrow or Thursday.
Oh. trying to be quick here, but throwing 2.5 and same exact reps. So obviously secondary movements was harder to improve on, but I'm trying. To leg press. All yours now. One more. My music stopped playing. That was fucking really gay. Kind of pissed me off a little. But great set. These shoes are like super grippy, but sometimes they want to slide a little. Other than that, they're like super grip. But I've still got like chicken stuck in my braces from lunch and pissing me off real good. One more. Okay. One more set. I seen a video the other day. What's that guy's name? I think Vaughn Walker. He's doing leg press. Tore his quads and he was trying to re-rack it and tore both his biceps, which is just bananas to think about. One more set though. Fuck. Okay. Throw all of this shit up and into some leg extensions.
Probably not actually. He's in front.
Okay, one more of those, and we for sure got a great leg pump. down. Wipe. Man, I'm ready for a meal and some Chris Hansen and bedtime. And a shower. Shower will be nice too. Help me cool down. This hoodie or sweater is always good in theory until you're baking by the end of the lift, especially the leg day.
Yeah, I get that. Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay. Oh yeah. Thank you.
Hamstrings definitely popping a lot more. Calves look pretty good too. Oh fuck. Okay. Not bad. Gonna head home now. Oh fuck. Okay guys. That was a brutal workout, dude. Like, I am fucking, I'm taxed after that. Like, I'm trying to think of how I want to, I'm just like mentally like fucking, oh my God. It's like every leg workout just gets better and better. And I mean, there's just workouts in general. Like, I feel like every time I go and hit a lift, it just gets better and better and better, which is obviously a great thing. It makes me kind of be like, I'm constantly moving in the right direction. I'm getting bigger, stronger. And obviously that's just overall the goal of things. So it's kind of been nice to see, because obviously that's what I'm always working towards. I'm always working to get stronger, bigger, yada, yada. That's the gist of bodybuilding, And obviously not everything's focused on strength, but strength definitely does correlate a lot to growth. Now, that's not me saying that like you should go on like a powerlifting routine, because if you just get strong as an ox, you're going to be huge. It's like you're trying to get stronger on your movements, like progressive overloading. You're constantly adding weight. That means, okay, if I'm constantly adding weight, I'm not only getting stronger, I'm getting bigger. But obviously you're training from a hypertrophy standpoint, not a strength standpoint. But, getting stronger, you can throw into the hypertrophy, and it's like you're constantly improving, so your muscles like constantly growing. And obviously that's kind of the key goal, as you could say. Like if you just go into a workout, and every time you go into a workout, you're like, okay, today I feel like doing 80 pounds, you hit a few sets of 12, and you're like, yeah, I felt pretty good. And the next time you go and you're like, man, I feel really good. Let's hit 3 sets of 120. And you hit it for the same 12. But it's fucking intense. It's hard. It's like you barely got the 12, And that's what you got to be trying to do every single workout. So it's like, okay, last week I got 9 on, let's say I got 9 reps of 225 on hack squat. This week I'm going to throw on a 2.5, so I'm going to throw on 5 pounds total, and I'm going to go for that same 9. And you get that same 9, but it's super hard. It's everything you got, but you're able to do every single set the same, or close to it, or maybe you even improve. But it's like you went balls to the wall. And like obviously not every workout are you going to be able to like improve, but you should always be pushing for that constant improvement, because that's how you're treading upwards in the right direction. Or that's the way I like to think about it. And I totally recommend, if you have any bodybuilding interest, whatever, listen to the J3U podcast. They're kind of like a little bit more like scientifical about some stuff, not completely, but like definitely like more hypertrophy. They're not quite like a Mike Israetel super anal, but they are like, they're both like IFBB pros, and they talk about like how should you schedule your training, how should you be doing nutrition, gear, yada yada, what are some good movements, and how should you go about progressive overloading. And so those are kind of, I like listening to their podcasts, because every time I listen, I'm like, it gives me new stuff to put into perspective, and maybe try, maybe not try, maybe keep in the back of my mind to, like, you know, one day try such a thing. But it's good to like listen to that kind of stuff. And, you know, I'm always trying to absorb more and more bodybuilding knowledge, because I feel like at the end of the day, I want to get, you know, better and better at bodybuilding. That's my goal. So, you know, to get better at bodybuilding, you got to be willing to change your ways. There's always new and better ways coming out, and, you know, obviously there's old ways that are still new and good. So you kind of got to have a general mix of everything, and obviously everybody has their own training style or their own split they prefer, but it's just that you got to be able to make the best out of it. So right now I feel like I've been making the best out of a PPL rest, PPL. That's what works the best for me. That's what makes it the best for me, because I go into my next, you know, after a rest day, I go into my push and I feel fully recovered. And same with my pull in my legs. But if I just go PPL twice in a row, no rest day, then it's like my push day, I'm still a little bit sore. So, you know, it's what works for me, and everybody has their own thing. Like Dylan, like when he wasn't cutting, he would just go to the gym every single day. You know, Arnold split too, like chest, back, shoulders, arms, legs, repeat. And he would never take a rest day. I'm like, are you not sore? He's like, no, I don't really get sore. And I'm like, I really feel like you should take a rest day, because even if you don't feel sore, it's like your body probably still wants the rest, you know. Maybe you just don't realize it, but like, you know, it's the same thing maybe with every now and then, maybe you take an extra rest day or something. It's like sometimes your body just needs that extra recovery time, and it's not a bad thing. Like if your body's just destroyed after a week of work and you're like, fuck man, like tomorrow's supposed to be my rest day, not today. It's like, you know, it sucks, but like maybe your body's trying to tell you, hey, take this rest day. Like you've been going at it for the last 3 months. We need an extra rest day. And sometimes, you know, you just got to listen to your body, do what your body's telling you. You know, because sometimes it's your body kind of trying to take you away from an injury, or trying to tell you like, hey, we need sleep, we need food, whatever. We need to recover all this damage you're doing to your muscle. Because obviously that's the goal of working out. You go in, break down your muscle, repair it via like sleep, nutrition, yada yada. So if you're not giving your body enough sleep or nutrition and you're working out, then it's like, how are you going to grow? So like people, you know, who are like working out and hardly eating anything, and then they're complaining about not growing. It's like, well, no shit, you're not growing. You're not eating enough food or getting enough sleep to, you know, refill your body, refuel it, and let everything repair itself. So that's kind of just my little spiel for today. But yeah, an amazing workout. I'll try and do a rest day video tomorrow. I always say I'm gonna do one, and then I don't end up doing one, so there's not any promises. Sorry guys, but anyhow, I'm gonna edit this, eat a meal, and get to bed, because it's only 7:19. So, you know, fucking really, I'd like to get to bed by 9, so I got like 2 hours, and I think it's manageable. So we're gonna shoot for it. But thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna stick to my word and do a rest day video tomorrow. I need to get more consistent with those. So onwards and upwards, we're growing. Legs looked great today.